Hi guys, hope you are doing amazing. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm sure you must have read the title and understood the theme of the video. Of course, it's going to be about hair care, how to care for your hair in lockdown or right now when we all are staying indoors and avoiding going out. So my hair type is dry and wavy. So there is a tendency to get frizzy all the time. Even though I care for my hair a lot, I use the best shampoos, conditioners and serums, but still I find that something is missing. When parlors were open, when you used to go out to get a hair spa done, so I miss that kind of treatment at home, and I do not want to go to parlor. It's been, I think, more than 1.5 years, or I don't know, maybe even more since I visited one. So I came across these newly launched deep treatment packs from Biolage. These are called deep treatment packs and they are available in 3 variants, as you can see. And I was really intrigued and was very excited to try one of them out. You know how much I love Biolage products. I have already talked about them couple of times on my channel already. So these deep treatment packs are packed with superfoods, and they have really amazing hair care ingredients that give you instant results, that give you beautiful shiny moisturized hair, and in just 3 minutes you can see a major transformation in your hair. They kind of transform your hair, make them really shiny and soft. So it's my second time today trying the Hydra Source one, and this is perfect for dry hair. Because of Delhi's heat, right now the weather is crazy here. It's so hot that the moment you wash your hair and you do not take care of them, they will start looking extremely dry and very lifeless. This pack is working really well for me. I have already used it twice. As you can see, I have just blow dried my hair. I have not straightened them or anything, and they look pretty smooth. There is no frizz at all. And my hair type is wavy, so you can see a bit of waves there, but overall the hair texture and the volume and everything else looks pretty nice and neat. You can see the hair has so much shine and they look so much manageable, and they are very soft to touch. So the Hydra Source pack comes with aloe and spirulina extract. Aloe has high moisture content and spirulina is really good for strengthening your hair. This pack moisturizes hair from within and makes them really soft and supple. The other variant is Smooth Proof pack, which has camellia and castor oil. This is really good for frizzy hair. The Smooth Proof pack has camellia, which is amazing for conditioning and strengthening your hair, and it also has castor oil. This gives smooth and frizz-free hair. And the third one is Color Last pack. It has orchid and apricot seeds, and this is amazing for color treated hair. And the Color Last pack has orchid, which retains the vibrancy of color and also locks in the moisture. And the apricot seeds give vitamin E and K that strengthen hair follicles. So due to the presence of these superfoods, these hair packs give you 90% more care than a conditioner and truly nourish and transform your hair. Now, to be honest, I can use any of the 3, but Color Last one will be really good for people who color their hair on frequent basis. I haven't colored my hair in a year, but whenever I'll do, I'll definitely try that out. But I can definitely use Smooth Proof and Hydra Source both. So I'll just quickly show you how I apply them. Here you can see the clip of my before hair. As you can see, my hair looks really dry, and it looks really dry. So the first step has to be shampoo the hair nicely and then rinse out all the water. Your hair should be wet, but they should not be dripping wet. Just squeeze out the excess water. So you have to segregate your hair in small sections. Apply the product on each section and twist it so that the product spreads across evenly, and it infuses the product for better penetration in the hair strands. I keep it on for around 3 minutes and then rinse it off, and you will be left with really soft and smoother looking hair. I will highly recommend you guys to check out the Biolage deep treatment packs. I have personally observed the difference. You enjoy pampering your hair once a week or twice a week, you can obviously give these a shot. I think the pricing is also very decent, and the pack size is also pretty nice, pretty good. These packs are available in these 100 ml tubes, priced at rupees 350 each. They are available in 3 variants. These are easily available online. You can buy them online. I'm going to link it below. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this quick review and demo of Biolage deep treatment packs. I'm going to link it in the description box if you're interested in trying or buying. And yeah, that was about it. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye.